start to double check. Can you hear us okay? Any questions or comments?
Different audio travel directions produce different interference patterns within your ear, in turn altering sounds in different ways.
We organize comprehensive training programs to attract new partners and users from new domains.
Your case, Montenegrin case, is based on agriculture. And there are so many fields not yet explored where HPC and new technologies can be deployed that it's basically limitless.
Julia is a relatively new language. It was developed at MIT. Julia is targeted in high-performance computing. So we can see now the history of the training.